Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Job channel. So in the yesterday's live only, I told you that yes, there will be enough opportunities for you guys. Just focus on your preparation, and here it is. Bell is recruiting now, and this is the good opportunity for us. Okay, 12 lakh CTC is the package, and definitely we will target to get maximum seat in Bell also. And now our focus is to get selection in Bell, right? So before going to our main videos of strategies, let's discuss about previous year cutoff. Okay, obviously this is the interest of few candidate. Okay, so I will just recommend you to watch it and leave it. Okay, don't take it personally or don't take it seriously, because this exam was last time held in 2019. Okay, and this time it is 2022. Lots of things are changed and everything is changed, right? Definitely it will impact the result of 2022 and cutoff will be high. Okay, there is no doubt in that. But still, let's discuss and let's see what was the cutoff that time. Okay, so this time there is a vacancy for computer science and IT people and metallurgy, but last time the vacancy was only for mechanical, electrical, civil, chemical, HR, finance. Okay, so for mechanical, and this is the combined cutoff after your CBT plus interview. Okay, so it is for open 64.86 marks out of 100. Okay, after normalize and everything, after combine this is 75% and 25%, right? For EWS 60, OBC 62, SC 56 and ST 55. Then for electrical 70.70 for open. Okay, EWS 65, OBC 65, SC 58.52, ST 56.25. For civil 71. For mechanical it is surprising that its cutoff is less. Okay, then civil 71, chemical 69, HR 77, good marks scored by candidate in HR domain also, and finance 69. Okay, so this is the previous year cutoff. Now if you want branch wise, okay, so here we can see the highest score is 70.34 in mechanical. Okay, by combining this, the guy got 159 out of 240, and in interview out of 100 he got 80, he or she. Okay, 82, and combinedly then 70.34 out of 100. So this is the mechanical result. Okay, highest was this, and whole result is available on website, you can check also. Obviously no need to check it, okay, because obviously there is no use of it, but still if you want you can check. Okay, this is for electrical. So for in electrical, out of 240 the candidate got 166 marks. Okay, then in interview 85 out of 100, and total 73.36 is the highest score for your category. Then for OBC also we can see 67.89. okay, the highest marks in exam you can see 185 out of 240. So 185 is highest till now, I can see that. Okay, so this is for electrical. Okay, for civil now, the highest score or the score out of 240 is 166. Okay, and out of 100, 89 marks in interview. So total is 74.13 is the highest score for your category. Here it is 181, but because he lag in interview, you can see 58 only out of 100. Okay, that's why score is low, but definitely he got selection. Then the highest mark is so far is 181 only in civil. Yes, is 181. For OBC if we see 71.33. okay, in interview 90 marks is the highest, which is very good score. Okay, for chemical out of 240 163, and out of 100 that is interview 85 marks, total 72.27 is the highest score for your category. For OBC 67, in a you can say written exam 150. okay, highest score in interview is 90. You can see here 90 marks out of 100, but in exam, written exam, little less mark, that's why rank 3. It's okay, ultimately selection matters. And in exam the highest mark I can see here 160. okay, so 162 is also highest here, but in interview only 50 marks is there. So you can, from here lots of learnings are there, that we should focus on both, that is your exam also and your interview also. Okay, then only we can get the final selection, or chances will be there, because this is the time of 2019, it is now 2022. okay, so just focus on your preparation and follow our strategy videos. Okay, so this is the calling cutoff for the interview after 240 137 for mechanical, means those candidate who scored 137 minimum marks. Okay, they are eligible for interview, and in interview the minimum basic qualification, basic cutoff I can say is 57 only. Okay, 57 should be compulsible for interview. In electrical 155 is the interview calling, then civil 153, chemical 149, HR 176, and finance 139. okay, Yeah, so this is all about your cutoff. Now the next video will be motivation, challenges and exam pattern of bail exam. Okay, so just subscribe to our channel and compulsory join our Telegram channel, which is most important thing. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, regarding any recruitment, then you can comment down below. All the best.